Alright, it's loading. Alright, there we go. So I'm Gabe's Gaming. Gabriel Gaming or Gabe's Gaming. I don't know. Haven't checked my account yet. Pet name. What can you pet? Pet name. Okay. Okay, this is Gabby's name. Can this be his name? And we'll press next. Oh, I don't want 2 Ks. Alright. I want you. Alright, so I gotta make my pet. Okay. I want you to have this. This. No, I want you to have this. This is the hair I want to have. You have a tie? Can you? You have a tie? No, you can't. Body. You'll have shirtless and balls. Tie? Oh, that looks rubbish. Please. EXT. No, I don't want that. There you are. There's my guy. Does he have this? He looks cool. Can I create him? I would like him. I'd also like him Japanese. I want him Japanese. No, where's the Japanese stuff? There we go. He's Japanese. Can we just cancel this? I don't like it. No. I'm going the other side. There. EXT. Oh, I have to pick this one. I'm going bottom. Here I should be. This. No. No. What do you like, Grant? Should I have that? No, he looks ugly. I'll keep you normal. No, I want you to have a mustache. Do this. There. How do I create this? Bike? What's that? I want that bike. It's custom. Hold on a sec. Alright, I'm back from that. Oh, what am I doing now? All of a sudden, this is happening. What's this? Alright. What's going on? Oh! This is the actual part I have to do it. The music's annoying. Do I feed him? Eat it. Eat this. I just leave the bang from his face. Okay. What? happens? Oh, easy. Okay. What happens with the bike? Still eating it. I think my computer froze. Hasn't. Let me do something. Ah, you made it, finally. Look at his name. God, that's so cool. I like his name. There's a bunch of other things on here, but no, I don't want to check them out yet. Another one? Oh. I need to censor stuff out in this. I need to censor out his name. So rude. Alright, I can do that with you if I want, but no, I don't want it. I'll give you best looking I can. I'm switching you off for rosy cheeks. This is the game. I thought something bad was gonna happen, like. Okay. This is weird. Hold on a sec. Raid's quiet. Right, I'm right now. Eat. Are you dumb? There. I do. You don't eat that. How long does it take you to eat? Maybe there's a virus on my computer. You. I want you. Is it locked? I wanted you. And look at your name. Hide there. I like it. I need that. It's not letting me have it. You look like a girl. A teenage girl. But I'll give you that. You look alright. I like your Japanese voice. Go Japanese already in a bit. Yeah, I gotta change him a bit. Maybe I'll change his shirt to make him more Japanese. Gotta make it so Japanese. This? This. No. Yeah. But I wanna check this out first. Which one? I think it's you. I like it. You got that stuff. Okay, that's done. Oh, get that out. Feed him. Yeah, I got it. I want you to... Come on. Oh, that's what it does. Go over it. He's wet now. You are wet. I can pet. Okay, game. You were wrong. This will be censored. Nine, get wet. Come on. It is boring. Not too boring. Wet. I can't. I bet the ant's like, oh, you can't pet. You. It's like that at the end. Oh, I can't pet. If I can't pet, I'm gonna destroy this game. This is too... This is 2 things of me doing basically nothing. Playing a game of trying to pet. I'm failing my whole life. I like my character because it all looks like anime. I like how my character looks like it looks like anime. First thing that pops up. Peace out, y'all. This game. Okay, when I put this hat on, it means business. I don't want that yet. I don't want that. I'll be happy. Oh, I can do like bike rides. That'd be pretty cool. You look awesome. I want it. I'm clicking on it. I think I need to unlock it. You will. Oh, not that. Not that loud. No. I like the name. I want to be more type anime. I'll do this again. How do you get that up? Do I not want that? Or do I want that? I feel like I don't want that. So I'm going to put this up. I hope. You game. Come on.
Are you okay, really?
No. Oh, you interrupt my video. Okay, I'm gonna do this again. This is hygiene. Come on! At least unlock that. Oh, there it is. Come on! Wet him! Wet him! Wet the... Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's going up. Look at that anime there, man. Get him! He's compassion.